The diff is installed, finally. Welcome back to the channel, gang. It's your boy E36, man. Y'all already know what's going on, man. We got a huge day, man. As y'all can see, man, I got the E36 right here. I'm over here at Will Spot. Today we finally gonna throw this LSD in, man. Right here we have an E36 M3 LSD 3:2:3 ratio. Came from a sedan M3 36. Last week I was over here, we put these poly bushings in. These are Condor Speed Shop diff bushings. We already got them in. Getting these in was a pain in the ass, guys. Getting bushings in on an E36 diff is no joke. Getting the old ones out is no joke. Getting the new ones in is not that hard, but getting the old ones out that have been in these cars for 20 plus years is no joke, bro. Like, it was a whole day. It took us like a whole day just to do these. Today we're gonna try to get it swapped in. I got oil for it. I also have, there's a third bushing for it, but I think that's on the car. So we're gonna try to figure that out today. And I also have the subframe bushings for the car. So I got Condor Speed Shop poly subframe bushing as well. Yeah, gang, this is the E36, man. It's nice and clean. You already know, although it's clean, this is my drift build, gang. I bought this car specifically to learn how to drift manual in it. Not gonna lie, even though it's very clean, I will be sliding this car around, guys. I'm sorry, but I mean, I'll be getting mad content. I'll be going to the track, GoPro. My boy Ron coming back to the city. He about to get his drift build. He looking at an E36 or E46, so we about to basically be tandeming, no cap. You guys haven't seen the E in a little bit from the outside. I got a couple new stickers on it. I got some plans for the E2, so I have a single exit exhaust. Doing custom single exit exhaust on the E, hopefully here in the next few weeks. I already got all the parts, but I have the muffler I'm putting on. I have the wide pipe, you know, the exhaust hangers. Everything I need to do is custom exhaust. I got a buddy who's pretty good at welding. I'm gonna do a custom exhaust with him on the E. But today we're installing the diff. So me and Will about to get that started. I'll show you guys the process as we go along the way. It's gonna be a pretty long day, I'll tell you that. Beamers galore at Will's house. What up, Will? We up underneath the E36, man. Looking at the diff here, so looks like it's gonna give us some fight. It's gonna give us some fight for sure. Getting these axles off, trying to get to the subframe. The subframe might also be a challenge. Everything is so rusted, we probably might have to move some of the exhaust and take off that heat shield. So yeah, looks like we got us a task here today. Let's try to get started with getting these bolts out and getting this diff out. Everything is rusty down here, so I'm trying to hit everything with some PB Blaster. Try to get some of this rust off some of these bolts before we try to attack them, because they do not look like they're gonna be our friend. We're getting somewhere, people. We got a couple of the axle bolts out. My man Nolan getting the whip nice and cleaned up. My man just went full VRSF exhaust system. You know he already fully bolt-on 335, man. This car is sick, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I love this car. Y'all know that one, though. I've been trying to get this job done forever, y'all. You know, shout out to Will, man. Make sure y'all follow my guy on Instagram. If you're in the Atlanta area, you know who to hit up for your beamer work, man. Come on. So we got both of the axles out. The diff is loose now, but we're trying to work with this subframe. Lord have mercy, man. We almost there, y'all. We almost there. We got it out. Woo! Bam! The open diff is out. We finna get the LSD in. So yeah, guys, I don't think we're gonna get to the subframe today because the two front bushings on the subframe, they're like either stripped or just rusted in, or I don't know. These right here, these are no good. Hopefully the subframe won't fall after a few clutch kicks. All right, so boom, we're making progress. We got the third diff bushing up underneath the subframe over there. And we got the flanges put back in on the LSD. So this is the LSD. We're about to throw it back in and then put oil in it, and then we should be good to go.
pump fluid in to your diff or into your transmission.
Man, Will got all the parts you need, man. Hit up Will, man. You need any work, man.
Yeah, man. 24/7 shop.
Don't get mad at the price.
Anytime. Yeah, just know, don't get mad at the price. That's it. That's it. It's 24/7, but hey.
Come on, y'all. Like, this how you look when you've been grinding, man. We here. We here. LSD going in, man.
You hear this?
It's been 8 months, bro. It's been 8 months since I bought this diff, man. So, guys, the diff is actually leaking a little bit. It has a little leak on the bottom side of it, so we're about to try to just kind of seal it up with some silicones or something like that. So I'm about to run over the AutoZone in my boy E93. Full bolt-ons, E93. VRSF exhaust. Oh, right now. Full VRSF exhaust.
Flush it, right?
Man, first time in the first time in the E93. Shit. Oh my god. Bro, that's like, but that's the perfect.
It's not a real long, see, it's not a real long type of thing. Like, you just keep going. Just a couple of things and that's it.
Bro, that's how I want mine, bro. That's perfect, bro. Jeez, bro, that shit.
See, it's built up with them third gear and everything.
That shit is right. Sick build, bro. Sick. Bro, it almost sounds like it has a big turbo on it, bro. That shit is like spooling.
That's my next thing, the little turbo, that's it.
Holy
That's
crap.
gonna be the next mod of this shit, probably.
Sheesh, bro. Had to go get some gasket maker, some little silicone sealant. Yeah, this thing's fire. I give my respect to my man Nolan, man. Shout out him. I'm gonna shout him out. All right, the diff is in. I'm gonna take it for a test drive. Feels all right. All right, gang. The diff is installed, finally. My GoPro is about to die, so I can't even really get a POV. But I'm gonna go get some footage probably tonight or tomorrow when I charge it up. And try to work on some burnouts, try to do a burnout, try to, you know, slide if it rains maybe. Try some clutch kicks, just try to get used to it, see how it feels. But the LSD is in the car, guys. Can't be happier with it. I just drove it around the neighborhood and it feels good. It does feel a bit different. I can tell it's a different gear ratio. Like almost like I can tell it's from an M car. It just feels like it kind of feels more aggressive, and it kind of feels like it has a bit more torque in like the lower end. I feel like I'd say when I was pulling in first and second, I could feel a bit more torque. So hopefully that'll help when I'm trying to hit some drifts, hit some slides, etc., etc. But a lot more coming for the E36, man. Like I said, guys, Sparkle bucket soon, custom exhaust set up soon, JDM body kit soon, hydro soon, short shifter soon, a lot soon for the E36, guys. More POVs on the way, man. I got y'all, don't worry about it. Till next time, it's your boy 6. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next banger. Let's get